As Samsung gears up to unveil its highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 8 series, a new market report reveals troubling signs for the tech giant's wearable division. Despite years of dominance in the Android smartwatch space, Samsung's smartwatch sales dropped by 18% in Q1 2025, according to a recent report from Counterpoint Research. This decline comes at a critical moment, just as Samsung prepares to launch the Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and a brand new Galaxy Watch Ultra. But with competition heating up and consumer interest shifting, the question is, can Samsung turn things around? Chart increasing Samsung's smartwatch sales are falling behind. The Counterpoint report highlights a sharp year-over-year decline in Samsung's previous generation smartwatch sales, suggesting that the company is struggling to maintain momentum. While global smartwatch sales only dipped by 2% overall, Samsung's 18% drop stands out, especially when rivals like Huawei and Xiaomi are seeing growth. In fact, China's smartwatch market surged by 37% in Q1 2025, signaling that Samsung's slump isn't part of a global trend, it's a brand-specific issue. Money with wings, what's causing the decline? Several factors could be contributing to Samsung's smartwatch slowdown. Rising prices, new models are getting more expensive, pushing budget-conscious users away. Minimal hardware upgrades. The Galaxy Watch 8 series is expected to use the same processor as previous models, offering little incentive to upgrade. Design fatigue. Early leaks suggest the new design isn't resonating with fans. Feature stagnation. While Samsung continues to improve One UI for Watch, many of the new features may eventually be locked behind paywalls or subscriptions. Despite these challenges, Samsung still benefits from a strong ecosystem and the growing maturity of Wear OS, which continues to improve with each generation. New button. What to expect from the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung's upcoming smartwatch lineup includes Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch Ultra, a new premium tier model. While official specs remain under wraps, Samsung has confirmed a redesigned interface, new health tracking features in beta, and deeper integration with Galaxy AI. However, it remains to be seen whether these changes will be enough to reignite consumer interest. Wrapped gift pre-order perks, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. In the meantime, Samsung is offering early reservation perks for its upcoming foldables. Credit card $50 Samsung credit when you reserve. Wrapped gift free entry to win $5,000. White heavy checkmark, no purchase required to reserve. These offers are available now on Samsung.com, and while they don't apply to the Galaxy Watch 8 series directly, they reflect Samsung's broader push to boost pre-launch engagement across its ecosystem. Magnifying glass tilted left. Final thoughts. The Galaxy Watch 8 series could be a turning point for Samsung's wearables strategy, but only if it delivers meaningful upgrades that justify the price. With sales slipping and competition rising, Samsung needs more than just a new name and a fresh coat of paint.